Hello everyone, I'm Martinus Bagusucaksono, and today I would like to explain about inside and outside diameter measurement using Vision Builder. This is the measure object that we use in this project. Basically we will use the ring to be the measure object. Here, the ring has an outside diameter and also inside diameter. In the way the ring produced, usually a manufacturer using the mass production method. So in the process, it will be hard to measure one by one of the uh, object that have outside and inside diameter. So the best way to measure the diameter is using vision. So we just put the object underneath the camera, and then by using the measurement application, it will be measure faster than using manual method. Here's the vision builder that we use. There are some uh, program block here, and then if we run this system, then if we put an object underneath the camera, and then the system will recognize the object, and all the condition of the outside and inside diameter will be measured. Okay, next we can go to the vision builder. Here, after we open the vision builder, then we can go to acquire image. We can click this icon, and then we can choose which one the camera that we want to use as the measurement device. Here I will choose USB camera that I have connected to my laptop. Then you can play to press the camera to check the object. Then after we have the proper object here, then we can click OK. So after we have the acquired image, then we can go to locate feature here, and then go to match color pattern. So after we after we have the display of select template in image, we can create a rectangle over the object. So make sure that the object, all the objects are inside the rectangle that we have created before. Next, we can go to setting. Here, for the minimum score, we can put 500 instead of 800 for the default value here. And then in the limit, we can check the minimum number of matches. After that, we can click OK. Next, we can go to enhance image, and then we can click the calibrate image button here. We can pick new calibration here, and then put the calibration name here. I will put this is the diameter measurement, so I will put the name is diameter, and put number. And for the operator name, I will put my name here. You can click next, and then next again, and next. So in the step number 4, we can pick a point that indicate the outer position of our outside diameter. So I will put a point at the left hand side here, and then another point at the right hand side here. In the distance, there is a real word box. So here I will put the real dimension of the ring. So here the real dimension of the outer diameter is 8 millimeter. So I will put 8, and then in the unit we will change pixel to millimeter. Then we can click next, and next again, next, then OK. Next, OK again. After we finish with calibrate image, then we can go to enhance images, then press vision assistant button here. Here we can select the object by creating a rectangle over the object. Make sure that all the objects are inside the rectangle that we have created before. And then we can go to edit. In this part, we can continue to color, extract color planes. So the purpose of doing the extra color planes, we want to have the contrast condition of our object and the background. So we can pick one by one and then choose which one is the best contrast color that we have. So here I will choose the green plane. Okay, after that we can close and click OK. And then OK again. After we finish with Vision Assistant 1, then we can go to Locate Feature here. And then we can pick Match Pattern. Here again, we can select our object by creating a rectangle over the object. And once again, make sure that all the objects are inside the rectangle that we have created. And then click next, next again, then finish. Make sure that the region of interest has been changed from the constant to be full image. Then click OK. After that, we can go to Find Circular Edge. So you can go to Find Circular Edge here, and then in the setting, make sure that the direction is outside to inside. So basically, we would like to recognize the outer or outside diameter of our object here. So you can observe that here in the display we have green and red circle. So make sure that the red circle are in the circumference of our object or our ring that we want to measure the outside diameter. And then to make sure the dimension, then we can go to limit. Then you can find here the diameter calibrated is 8.13 something millimeter. So more or less it's about the same with the measure diameter that we have been measured before. We can click OK. The next step is we can repeat the previous step. So we can go to find circular edge here, and then in the setting, at the direction tab, we can change from outside to inside to be inside to outside, because we want to measure the inside diameter here. And then after that, we can observe, we can move out the circle that we have, and we can make a new circle here. Just put the point at the center of the circle, and then left click it and create the circle. Make sure that the bigger circle are bigger than the inside diameter, and then release it. We can observe the measure diameter by seeing the limit here, and then go down. We have diameter calibrated. So actually, before the process, I have measured the inside diameter, and we have 3.5 mm for the inside diameter. So if the diameter calibrated is far from 3.5, we can repeat the process. Just click in the center and then drag outside, and we can make a new circle here until we satisfy with the diameter calibrated. So here, after we make the new one, then we have the diameter calibrated is 3.51 something millimeter. So this is like closer to the desired diameter. We can click OK. Next, we can go to match pattern 1. Just click match pattern 1, and then in the locate features, we can click set coordinate system. And actually, we want to calibrate the center of coordinate system. At the origin, we can choose match pattern 1 minus match 1 here, and then click OK. After that, we can go to find circular edge 1 here, left click it, and then we can check reposition region of interest using set coordinate system 1 that we have created before. And then click OK, and do the same thing with find circular edge 2. The position region of interest reference coordinate system, we can use set coordinate system 1 that we have defined previously. Now we have finished the block diagram, so we can continue to check the system that we have prepared before, whether it is working properly or not. So we can go to run the system here, and then as we can see that in the circular edge 1, the diameter is 8.0 something millimeter, and also at the fine circular edge 2, the diameter or the inside diameter is about 3.5 mm. We can put other object or other ring, and then we can measure that it has the same dimension or not. Okay, this is still pass because the diameter is about 8 point something and inside diameter is about 3.5 mm. You can put other ring here. So here is also pass because the outside diameter is about 8 and then the inside diameter is about 3.5. Okay, this is the end of explanation about how to use Vision Builder to measure the inside and outside diameter of our object. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.